Charlie T ain't playing games no more. I'm tired of bitch niggas blocking my shine, but they ain't on my mind. Because it's all about me, and I'ma tell you why. These niggas ain't real, they'll tell you a lie. I don't give a damn how hard you try, and I don't give a damn how many cars you buy. You fake, I don't give a damn about your cake. Real niggas show love, real niggas don't hate. Real niggas get money in every state. Real niggas spread love every day. I don't give a damn about your cake. Real niggas show love, real niggas don't hate. Real niggas get money in every state. Real niggas spread love every day. Real niggas love to see other niggas out there shining. Real niggas understand it. All that ballin' come from grinding. That's why I don't hate. I'm too busy trying to reach my goal. I put my money on me because I know I'm told. Y'all gon' respect me even if y'all don't want to. I'm everywhere, a true player. I do things y'all can't do. Like go to a playoff game and sit front row. Or in Toronto with a bad hoe smoking dope. So before you criticize, you need to analyze. And it don't matter, y'all will never see my enterprise. Y'all gon' respect me, and it's for sure. Charlie T ain't playing games no more. I'm tired of bitch niggas blocking my shine, but they ain't on my mind. Because it's all about me.
Fleet of the zookeeper, nigga. This motherfucker here got AFE written all on it, nigga. Yeah. It's for my niggas with bandanas hanging out they pocket. I don't give a fuck what you rep. This your motherfucking jam right here, homie. I represent the streets, the sets, the gutter, the jungle, planet of the 8th, 8900 over here. AFE with the stamp on it, hoe ass nigga. Certified, sealed, and delivered to your motherfucking door. What up? This for them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. For them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. For real kind, before I really ever spit a rhyme, I was out there dealing times on the grind. Stamped, sealed, and signed, motherfucking realest nigga alive. You can look me in my eyes, my nigga, and see the fire. I'm 8900 degrees from the jungle, nigga, planet of the apes. I really hung in them trees, where everybody and they mama out there pumping for greed. They pumping cheese, selling all these, but pumping that weed. This for my niggas put in work for just a couple of thieves. Ain't a color in a whole crayon box, not fucking with bleed. The streets embrace me with their arms open, like everybody from the dealers to the strippers and the tons knowing. Niggas that's riding on rims, looking like arms poking. Tell me I go hard in the paint, I feel like Lamar Odom. Who wanna guard a nigga? I'm under that old law. I'm a all-a nigga, loyal nigga, solid like a Marvin. This for them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. For them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. I tell them right side, west side, left side, homicide. I let that llama fly, bet that boy mama cry. Often dream eating chicken and some shrimp. If I see a hoe I like, I put a bullet in a pimp. Cut from a different cloth, made back like Ricky Ross. Had that ass MIA, but I'm a different boss. Fuck what it costs, money gang buy that. They came out with new drugs today, well we gon' try that. Codeine and Muy Molly's, black cars and Louis Wallace, natty fitted. Getting white boys something to do in college. Bees up, skanks down, look at blood plank now. He got hit with that rocket, that white H-Town. Still off on them Vogues, Belvedere on them 24s. Grey Goose and that silver throne, get me off in them pantyhose. Me and Bleeder, trade the truth and bun beater. I keep it real, nigga, Sue Woo, trail niggas. Niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. For them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin'. But all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. It's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. We don't mind niggas mugging, fuck them long as they stay over there. My niggas predators and y'all looking like prey over there. This ain't beef, nigga, y'all just looking like steak over there. I said apes over there, first time I sense this hate over there. Don't let that liquor get you niggas in the wreck. Any form of disrespect, one of you niggas getting plugged up like the internet. How much you niggas wanna bet? You ain't met a nigga like me off the corner yet.
Full of syrup and law receipts.
Attitude bad, eat a nigga food fast, rude ass. Either get your man shot or dude stabbed. You better warn him with his fool ass. Empty the clip and have a nigga stand over him till the tool jam. Pull up my pedigree, my resume and record sheet. Real is all I ever be, the truth, so niggas scared of me. 20-some misdemeanors, 4 or 5 felonies, a real nigga thoroughly.
They are holding some I never
This
be.
for them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin', but all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. There's blood on that money, dollar for them niggas with bandanas hanging out they side pockets. Still on the corner, rock for rockin', but all they hear is sirens and 45s, 40. There's blood on that money, dollar for dollar. This for them niggas.
Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'.
Yeah, I say that thing keep calling. Call me Dr. J, the way I keep ballin'. Yeah, I say that thing keep calling. Call me Dr. J, the way I keep ballin'. I hit the strip club and them hundreds keep falling. Hit the light, the drop top while the swing's crawling. Broke niggas stalling, hating from the sideline. Everybody got bottles, time to pass the drawer around. Charlie need mine, I ain't trying to hear explain it. I'm trying to get it all. Fuck maintain it. I got stacks that's taller than Chris Kamen. I'm a beast off the leash that it ain't taming. Fuck maintain it. I'm trying to get ahead. Fuck complaining about the game and get your bread. Fuck maintain it. See, I need it all. I'm trying to buy everything I see at the mall. You know Charlie shining, you know Charlie ballin'. That's the reason why all them pops keep calling.
That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. That thing keep callin'. Fuck maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'.
What, they need some more? What you say, right? They need some more on that thing. Alright, I'm here. Just pass me another blunt. I'm ready right now. Boy, I'm feeling the Atlanta Hawk High Joe Johnson. It's getting made to get lost, nigga, no nonsense. I'm on my Kobe pimpin' Lil' Mama Laker Yellow. She like to brag on me, I ain't gotta make her tell ya. I ball hard like LeBron, need my crown quick. I keep him running back, that Cleveland Brown dick. I'm going deep, you better tell your partners Hail Mary. You won't no more drama, you better tell Mary. I roll it up and light it up and start to smell the berries. I'm the big Tom Cat and I smell all you Jerry's. Niggas is rats and I got cheese in my trap, so when they sneak out of them hoes, I'ma be squeezing on my gag and leave them bleeding on they back, cause we be bleeding in the trap. Come with any funny business, leave you bleeding in the trap. Ain't no more time to be playing, folks, shot clock low. I'm on fire, tell them tough niggas stop, drop, roll. Asshole like Trey, a bad boy just like Diddy and them. Stop playing games, my game tighter than your fitted brim. Me and y'all is like Michael Jordan or Scottie Pippen. You niggas cleared out, I don't need no assistance. The kid is so persistent, I had your woman missing. I'm through, man. Kush Monster in the building, man. Yeah. Man, put that Reggie down, fool.
Look here, we live at the dog show.
Hey, fam, baby.
Yeah, Q Diddy.
East side.
Tell them how you look.
Style side. Know what I'm saying? From the little album to the big album, from Maine to Spain and anything in between. You hear me? It's going down, baby. D-Town, this how we get it, baby. If you ain't to go DJ, what the fuck you DJing for? Face the fam, go DJ Circle Promotion, baby. If you ain't in the circle, home, you ain't in the loop. This is how we gonna do it. from the dog shows, goddamn me to the motherfucking club line, from the hood to the street, to the goddamn creek to the boardroom. That's all we going, man. It's all around hustle, man. 24/8.
That's what it is. A-Time. Hey, look out. The next dog show, I guess we got to holler at Q Diddy. He gonna let us know. We'll come to your city if you want us to. Travel.
We're gonna take this thing on, man. It's good. It's easy, man.
Faith and Crown, Swift 11, MC Quay, H-Time, Go DJ. Hey, what it do? The High C, Orbit, the whole, hey, everybody. JQ, hey, GC, who? Name them out, man.
I want to say the game don't change, man. Niggas just lazy.
Yeah.
The game don't change, niggas just lazy.
Yeah, we here to stay. We got the red and fun, but we specialize in great. Razors and Gotti, so they bodies rocked up. We ain't trying to break your pockets, we're trying to hook you up. 832-454-3221, and you can catch me at the show. The dogs look good, cause they bloodline tight. Satisfaction guaranteed, I put that on my life.
Yeah, F2 Pits. All of us, man. All of us, man. We breathing, big head, blues, stocky, doing that, Get at us.
F2 Kennels, yeah, we